This is 5 Minutes to Change Your Life. My name is Joanne Mallon. I'm an author and coach. I love helping people make wee changes that make a massive difference in their lives. Give me 5 minutes of your time today. Just might change your life. Hey, hello, what about you? So we're talking today about cold water and cold showers and stuff like that. They've really become a thing in recent years. I guess mostly thanks to the work of the one and only Wim Hof. And there's also been tons of well documented benefits of cold water. You know, that it boosts your endorphins, serotonin, dopamine levels. Cold water can bring you mental clarity, which is something we all need, isn't it? But you know what? I've tried with this. I really have tried to give cold showers a go. Oh my God, I've really tried. They're so bloody freezing. I guess the name should have been a clue. You know, hats off to you if you can do it. Maybe I'm just too much of a wimp. I do much prefer a nice warm shower. But it turns out that there is a way to obtain the benefits of a cold shower without having to completely freeze your ass off. Okay, so this is where the cold water splash comes in. And this is literally just splashing cold water on your face for, say, around about 20-30 seconds, or maybe even a very quick blast of a cold shower. This can then start to calm down your nervous system, lift up your mood. Really, really good for mental health. There was some research recently that found that splashing cold water on your face may help to reduce the effect of trauma, and it may also have some benefits for people experiencing stress and anxiety. And you know what? If that wasn't enough, there are also skincare benefits to this too, if that interests you. Cold water splashing will stimulate your blood circulation, bring some oxygen, nutrients to the skin, leaving you just feeling fine and fresh, my friend. Cold water can also help to regulate levels of oil in the skin. So it's a really good option if your skin is oilier or too dry than you want it to be. And of course, it can also reduce puffiness around the face. So it does lots of things in different levels. What I like about this is that it's such an easy, straightforward thing to do. You know, you just head for the bathroom, start splashing yourself, a wee bit of cold water on your face. So if you want to do something beneficial for your well-being, this is not a difficult one to try. So I just like to challenge you this week to try out a wee bit of cold water mood boosting, whether you're game for the full cold shower or cold water swimming experience. But maybe you just want to head to the bathroom and splash a wee bit of cold water on your face for around 20 or 30 seconds. I would say if you're going to do that, the most obvious time to put it into your daily routine is maybe just before or after you brush your teeth, because you're already at the sink, you've got the tap on. Doesn't get easier than that. And you know, you can even immerse your whole face in cold water if you want to really go for it. Have to say that does not really appeal to me. I think I've watched too many gangster movies where if a person was plunging headfirst into water, it just meant that some really bad shit was going down. So that doesn't spell restful to me. But your mileage may vary. You may enjoy a wee bit of personal torture in the morning. I don't know. Have you tried accessing the benefits of cold water? I'd love to know what your experience of this is. Do get in touch or leave a review. They're always nice to read. Stay cool, my friend. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.